Oh, I'm here for a problem that's actually from my math book. I'd like to just get right into it. We need to solve for theta between 0 and 2 pi for 1 minus cosine of theta equals 1/2. So I'm going to rewrite 1 minus cosine of theta equals 1/2. Just going to put this 1 on this side. So it's cosine of theta. You subtract 1 on both sides. You have minus 1/2. Oh, that's minus cosine of theta. Okay, so next thing that you do is you multiply by minus 1 on both sides, so you get cosine of theta is equal to 1/2. Okay, now it's a good thing to note that cosine on a unit circle is the x value. Okay, let's just go draw a unit circle. We need to have the x value be 1/2. So this will be 1/2, and this will be 1. And we need to find out what angle this is, okay? So this will probably ring something else. Of course, you could plug into a calculator cosine to the minus 1 of 1/2, and you'll get the answer. Or you could also just remember that this is a triangle like this, where you have a 30 here, a 30 here, and then 2 60s. Wow, how is this so far out of focus? Okay, 2 60s. And so this length is 1, this whole length is 1, so this length is 1/2, and then you have that length doesn't really matter. The important thing to notice is that x is equal to 60 degrees, and now it's another thing to notice over here is that there's not just the 60 degree over here for this to be 1/2, you also have this angle right here for the cosine to be 1/2. So not only do we have 60 degrees, but we also have 300 degrees, because that's 360 minus 60. Now we need to put these into radians. So remember, 2 pi is 360 degrees. So to find 60 degrees, we divide by 6. So you have pi over 3. Okay, that's an important thing to notice. And then this is just that multiplied by 5. So we also have 5 pi over 3. And that is 300 degrees. Okay. So now the next thing I need to check is if these are in the range of 0 to 2 pi, which they both are. And since their period is 2 pi, if I add 2 pi to both of them to get in the range, it'll be out of the range. So these are the only answers that actually work. So that means that theta could be pi over 3 or /and, don't really know which one you're supposed to write, 5 pi over 3. I hope this video helped you. This is a problem in my math textbook. This is what the textbook looks like. It's the Sullivan 7th edition. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.